Ito yung mga kasama ko, mga vlogger din po. Kasi ito, di ko alam. Sino ba to?
So ito nga yung way papunta sa Encanto Falls, guys. Kailangan mong akyatin to. Kaya naman ng motor, kaso lang medyo bumaba na lang ako baka kasi ma-balance kami dito. Masyado kasing masikip yung daan. Pero tignan mo guys, ang bungat pa lang oh. Napakaganda na siya. Very nature looks siya talaga. Ganda ng ambience. Napakasimple ng place. Yan yung kasama namin.
Sa layoing nilakad namin iba pala napuntahan namin.
Sana all.
Ito na talaga. Magbayad ang entrance fee bago pumasa. 40 sa bata and 50 sa matanda.
So ito na nga. Punta na tayo. Ito na yung sa entrance yung mismo. Dami tao. Yung dami talaga. Yun.
Andito na nga tayo sa Encanto Falls ng Bicol. Ayan guys, oh. Parang layered siya na falls. Nakikita nyo naman, pero ang bilis ng agos ng tubig, guys. Pwede tayong maglakad sa mismong falls niya, pero ay, madulas kasi yung mga bato. Kaya hindi na ako doon dumaan. Dito na sa may side mismo ng falls para mas mabilis. Kaso lang mabato pa rin. Ay, napakataas kasi dito sa parte nito. Mataas sa parte na to. So mahaba tong falls na to hanggang sa sa baba. Baka kung titignan natin to, baka abutin siya ng halos 1 kilometers mahigit, 1 or 2 kilometers mahigit na nakadiretso lang siya pababa na falls, guys. So doon yung meron pa sa pinakataas kaso hindi na tayo pwede pumunta doon kasi private owned na yun. So hanggang dito lang tayo na park. Ito yung mga kasama ko, mga vlogger din po. Kasi ito, di ko alam. Sino ba to? So po ba yung tour guide? Ito vlogger din po to. Ito may kasama kami. Kuya, saan po tayo pupunta kayo? Ito yung tour guide natin. Andun pa oh. Hindi lang kasi pwedeng akyatin sa parte doon. Ayan, andun din. Aha, ayan, nakaloop siya. Actually, dire-diretso sa napakahaba ng falls na to hanggang sa pinakababa. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung view, guys, after. Ayan, keep on watching, guys.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want a rock in a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Kung ikaw ay bago pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, maaring ikaw ay mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para laging updated sa mga bagong video. Salamat!